marshmallow, and I like to make some bread. With Nutella, that's my favorite. And let's go make some Nutella bread.
Use the spoon.
See, bread, see, we need to get the Nutella out. And put it on the bread. Oopsies.
Is that for your little brother?
Don't know because I want some Nutella.
Ate, so what is it, Nutella?
Nutella? Eh.
I don't hear you sound. Oh, there's a cracker.
Wow.
There's a cracker.
This one is done. And next, let's fold it.
Then return the cover. And
then,
after,
then
oh.
fold it. And there's how to make Nutella.
Okay.
And
Oh,
bye!
give it to your little brother.
No thanks.
No thanks.